Hey there, today, we're exploring one of the most remarkable creations in blockchain technology, Ethereum. Ethereum is the second largest cryptocurrency in the crypto space. In this video, we're going to talk about what exactly an Ethereum is, the role of its token, and how it's different from Bitcoin. But before we get into all that, let's take a moment to glance at the price history behind this innovative platform. Ethereum's journey began with its initial coin offering, ICO, in 2014 at a price of $0.311 per coin. Throughout most of its early existence until January 2016, the price remained below $1. However, a significant shift occurred by January 2018 when the price surged to an all-time high, ADH, of $1,270. This upward trajectory continued into 2021, culminating in a new ADH on November 16, 2021, at $4,891.70. Subsequent to these record highs, the cryptocurrency market entered a phase of decline, known as the bear market. This downturn caused Ethereum's price to plummet to a low of $890 on June 18, 2022. Look, Ethereum didn't just pop out of thin air. According to CoinCarp, as of June 27, the number of Ethereum holders reached 236.48 million, with the top 10 holders accounting for 31.49% of the total. This signifies a notable increase of 18.38% compared to the count of 199.31 million holders from a year ago. What exactly an Ethereum is? Ethereum isn't just for digital money. Ethereum is a decentralized platform that enables developers to build and deploy smart contracts and decentralized applications, dApps. It's not just a digital currency like Bitcoin, it's a full-fledged ecosystem that uses blockchain technology to create a wide range of decentralized solutions beyond simple transactions. Smart contracts on Ethereum are self-executing agreements with predefined rules, and dApps are applications that run on the Ethereum network without relying on traditional centralized servers. Ethereum's flexibility and programmability have led to its adoption in various industries, from decentralized finance to gaming to supply chain management. You might be asking, who created Ethereum? Vitalik Buterin is the genius who came up with the whole idea of Ethereum. The development of Ethereum was a collaborative effort involving many individuals and teams in the blockchain and cryptocurrency community. Buterin's unique idea on Ethereum is a combination of a decentralized mining network and a platform for developing software. The cool part is that it's designed to make creating new cryptocurrencies called ERC-20 tokens and programs a breeze, all while using a single super secure blockchain, which is like a digital ledger for keeping track of transactions. Back in late 2013, Vitalik Buterin wrote the Ethereum whitepaper. It's a blueprint for what he envisioned Ethereum to be. Then, in early 2014, the wheels were set in motion, and the actual development of Ethereum began. Did you know that Vitalik Buterin is also the co-founder of Bitcoin Magazine, serves as a prominent source of insights and information about the world of cryptocurrencies, particularly Bitcoin? Let's dive into its token ETH, and get to know how they play a key role in non-fungible tokens, decentralized finance, decentralized autonomous organizations, DAO, and the metaverse. Ethereum's token, ETH, serves multiple roles within its ecosystem. It's primarily used as a form of payment for transactions and smart contract executions on the Ethereum network. Additionally, ETH is necessary to participate in decentralized finance, DeFi, activities such as lending, borrowing, and yield farming. It also plays a pivotal role in powering decentralized applications, dApps, and decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs. Lastly, ETH is used as a reward mechanism for miners who secure the network and validate transactions. Bitcoin versus Ethereum. Ethereum and Bitcoin are two of the most well-known cryptocurrencies, but they have significant differences in terms of their purposes, functionalities, and underlying technologies. Alright, let's nail down their differences. 1. Purpose and functionality. Bitcoin was created as a digital alternative to traditional currencies, aiming to function as a decentralized peer-to-peer payment system. Its primary purpose is to serve as a digital currency for transferring value between users without the need for intermediaries like banks. Ethereum was actually created to be more than just a regular currency. It's like a playground for developers where they can make things called dApps and smart contracts. These dApps are like special apps that run on their own, and smart contracts are like agreements that work automatically when certain things happen. So, Ethereum isn't just digital money, it's a whole place where cool things happen automatically. 2. Smart contracts and decentralized applications. Bitcoin's scripting language is limited and mainly used to enable basic transaction conditions. It focuses on the transfer of value. It's all about hedging against inflation. Ethereum brought in this cool idea of smart contracts. These are like super smart agreements written in computer code. Instead of just words on paper, the terms of the deal are right there in the code. And guess what? This opens up a whole world of possibilities for making all sorts of apps on the Ethereum system. 3. Key blockchain technology. Bitcoin. So, when it comes to Bitcoin's blockchain, its main job is to check and write down transactions. But here's the thing, it has a bit of a simpler language for doing stuff compared to Ethereum, you know what's cool about Ethereum's blockchain? It's like a Swiss Army knife of technology. It's super flexible and can do a lot of different things. This special language it uses, called Turing Complete, allows people to create decentralized applications and smart contracts that can do complex stuff. 4. Supply and mining. Bitcoin. So, with Bitcoin, there's a limit to how many coins there can be, 21 million in total. And here's the cool part, new Bitcoins come into existence through this process called mining. It's like a digital treasure hunt where super strong computers solve tricky math puzzles to make sure transactions are real and add them to the blockchain. Ethereum, you know what's interesting? At first, Ethereum didn't have a limit on how many coins it could make. But guess what, they're working on something called Ethereum 2.0. It's like an upgrade that could make things more energy efficient and might even change how many coins can be made. Cool, right? 5. Consensus mechanism. Bitcoin uses a proof-of-work (POW) consensus mechanism. It's like a competition between miners to solve puzzles, kinda like a race, to make sure transactions are real and keep the network safe. Ethereum is changing things up too. They're moving from the proof-of-work system to something called proof-of-stake with Ethereum 2.0. The first phase introduced the Beacon chain, a separate POS blockchain that runs in parallel with the existing Ethereum POW blockchain. It's responsible for managing the POS consensus and validator participation. It's like a different way of making decisions. Instead of miners, they've got these validators. These validators get picked to create new blocks based on how many tokens they own and are willing to stake as a kind of promise. It's all about making the system work in a new and cool way. 6. Community and development focus. Bitcoin's community primarily focuses on maintaining its status as a store of value and a digital alternative to gold. Its development mainly revolves around security, scalability, and improving its core functionality. They're into stuff like beefing up security, making it work for more people, and just making the whole thing better overall. That's where their energy goes. Ethereum. So, let me tell you about Ethereum's ecosystem. They are a group of people who are actively involved in shaping and improving Ethereum. They're all about pushing the limits of what blockchain can do. They're like the pioneers of new apps and cool ideas, and they're big fans of this idea of making everything work without a big central control. It's all about exploring and expanding the possibilities. They contribute to the development of the platform, create new applications, and work together to advance the technology. Well, that wraps it up. Ethereum has reshaped how we think about blockchain technology. While Bitcoin lays the foundation as a digital currency and store of value, Ethereum stands as a dynamic playground for developers, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Remember, as Ethereum evolves with its transition to Ethereum 2.0 up to the latest Shanghai upgrade allows validators to withdraw the staked Ether, ETH, that has been locked in the network. Ethereum is not just about the technology, it's about the people, the Ethereum ecosystem, who passionately explore new horizons and drive its progress. Whether it's creating a new form of currency, or advancing the concept of decentralized computing, Ethereum continues to inspire us with its potential. Like, share, and subscribe for more exciting video. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.